Howdy there. Today I'm gonna talk to you about a concept we all heard of before, a bug-out bag. So the trend is always changing for some reason. At first you saw a lot of people with their 150 liter, okay I'm over exaggerating now, but 110 liter, 70 liter backpacks filled with stuff for weeks or whatever. But you know, for me, a bug-out bag is traveling from A to extraction point B, where you can get rescue and other stuff you need again. So with that said, if you are small, I'm 180 or 6'11", and this is my bug-out bag. Well, I designed it for you, small people, or maybe people with kids. Yeah, it's 3.9 kilogram. You can lift it on your pinky. So stay tuned and find out what's inside. Alright, let's get to it. First, let me show you that there are some tools already here on this bag. This is one of the most used like widget gadget thingies to open a little crate. The water fountains. There's a little light here, so you can look inside the bag. And on this clip here, there's a bottle opener. And this is a waterproof bag. So, to start with. Alright. There we go. First pack we grab out of here is this one. But I'm gonna take you a little bit closer to there so I can put some stuff down. Alright, so first thing, easy to grab if you open this pack, because it's attached to this cord, is this guy here. What is in here? A good compass. There, put that around your neck. Then in here is a little baggie for any extra stuff that you have on you. Maybe your clothing, your jacket. When you're walking you get warm, so you have to put somewhere. This one is full, so that's why I give you this extra bag. It's just a foldable bag. You can put some stuff in there, carry it like this, maybe like this around you, I don't know. It should work, right? Little baggie. Alright, next to that, this is an emergency poncho. We all know those, so I don't have to unpack it. Emergency poncho when it's raining. You have to protect yourself against the elements. You can grab this quickly, put it over yourself and the bag, and you're good to go. Find some shelter somewhere, because it's not a really good one, right? But it's something. Next to that, I'll come to show you, is a phone. See, it's turning on. I don't know if you can see that, but just a working phone, so you can call people or whatever. It's going off again. Well, it's just, you see, it's an active phone. T-Mobile there. You can put another SIM card in there, whatever, but turn off. There, so it's in there in a waterproof bag, inside a plastic bag, inside a Ziploc bag. Let's hope it lasts. Phone. Next item in there, a plastified map from my area. So anywhere, if I'm here, I want to go here, I can check it out and go there using these two together, right? So this is plastified, it can get wet, it doesn't matter, it won't rip. So it's a good map. Have a good map of your area, it's really important. Oh wait, shouldn't put it back in there, right? Map. Wait, actually. Next item. Sorry, that was a little bit messy. This is just a Sawyer mini filter. This is just a Sawyer mini filter, including the bag, the flush bag, the little straw thingy, whatever it is. You go one Sawyer mini filter for your water. Next item I grabbed from this is this little mesh pouch, and in there you will find sesame snacks. Two packs in there. Here's another pack. Some beef jerky, some candy. Just to get some energy and proteins in you so you can get to your point B. Then the next item is this little package I made. This is like a rescue blanket, but it's the size of a tent, so you can build a whole tent with this. There's 4 tent pegs there. There's a rope to attach it. And in there are also a bunch of these guys, tie wraps, so you can just get the corners and put it on the tree with the rope. Put that there. Then the next item in this pouch. A mess kit with like a simmer bag included, so you can simmer stuff in here. Then in there we have just a standard mess kit. So you have two. You can use one as a lid. You can boil. You can boil your water in here. In there I have a nice little pouch again. Wow, you want to do this fast, but man. Right, the pouch, 2 big lighters, a Leatherman, the Leatherman P3, P4, just have a multi-tool, it's useful. There's a knife, screwdriver, little scissors, a little saw, everything, you know, the multi-tool. Just really nice to have. Some waterproof matches packed in duct tape. The next item, duct tape itself. So the carton, you see, when the roll is almost finished, I always do this. I just stamp them flat. You get this, you roll it a few times, and you can grab it like this. You see? You just do that, and you have this nice little pack. You see how much that is? So that's a decent amount. Then next to that, a decent blade with a lock mechanism. Alright? This is a decent blade for a fire steel. You can scrape your fire steel on it. You can baton wood with it. You have this little pouch. What's in there? That's let me grab it quickly. There's 20 liters of aqua tabs here, 10 tablets or 20 tablets. Oh man, this is a good bag. It doesn't want to open. Here is another one of those. If you've seen my EDC video, then you've seen these fish kits that I make. It's just a little fish kit with hooks, weights, and a wire. This one has a little bit more weights. Here's a fire steel. Right. Good fire steel from Light My Fire, normal one. Oh. I'm a little bit hard with the baggie in my hand. Then the next thing is 3 plastified snare wire, green. So, and it's plastic, so they will slide easy. If you make them double, you roll them up double, then it's a really strong wine, right? Here's a little spoon. Spoon with a little thing you can maybe cut the apple or whatever you have. So a little spoon. How's this called again? Puntslijper, yo. And there's a little candle here. Unless we already had those. There's another string, little piece of wire, and a little rope. And this is one of those hand saws you can, yeah, it's one of those you can, I don't know, it's packed in duct tape. And a little razor blade. Razor blade. Alright. And that's a lot of junk for one of those pouches. Let's keep everything on there. Alright, so what's next? This is a 2-liter water bag. It's from a camel bag. So right, it's yeah, it's 2-liter water bag from Highlander, so it's pretty decent stuff, right? Yeah, I shouldn't pack it like that maybe, but and then last but not least, of course, oh, it's not last, first we have our poncho. This is just a military poncho, right? So we can make a tent or put it over ourselves if it's raining. But yeah, it's a military poncho. And then last but not least, it's a little pack with your clothing. So it's just some spare clothing. I don't really have to unpack that, right? So a shirt, trousers. This is just the old hiking trousers that I had. I use them for painting even, you can see. But it's still a decent pants actually. So, and another waterproof bag. So there you have it. That's it. That's all that's in this bag here. I hope you, oh well, we're gonna do a little flyover, little eagle eye from all the stuff that's in here. So I have to put that out nicely because I made quite a mess down here. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, all right. So there you have it. A little bit of communication, maybe even signaling. I don't know, it's too dark. Shelter, protection against elements, navigation, a little bit of food, and water purification, shelter again, actually, more water, and you have your EDC, of course. And with this, you can grab like a bottle of water. Everybody should have water. Anyway, that was it for today. Thanks for joining. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.